Hello student. Today we are going to discuss about the viruses. The term virus has originated from a Latin word which means poison. They were discovered in 19th century. Before the development of electron microscope, the instrument capable of forming visible image of such a small object. The discipline dealing with the virus is called as virology. The several incidents linked directly with viruses having known to mankind, for example, such viruses as smallpox, rabies, or mosaic disease of tobacco and bindi. In today's lecture, we discuss about only the definition and general characters of viruses. Basically, virus is submicroscopic, transmissible, intercellular, obligate parasite. It is self-replicating in the host system, non-cellular, composed of nucleic acid, that is RNA or DNA, which surrounded by the protein coat often cause the disease like smallpox, rabies, and influenza. So in several year or several decades, the discovery viruses were distinguished by main three properties. These are they are the infectious agent of diseases. They are quite small and able to pass through the filter that retain most bacteria, and they do not proliferate in culture media designed to support the growth of bacteria. So what are the characteristics of viruses? Viruses are infectious agent with both living or non-living characteristics. Living characteristics of virus includes the ability to reproduce but only in living host cell. Non-living characteristics include the fact that they are not cell, have a no chloroplast, cellular organism, and carry out no metabolism on their own, and therefore must replicate using their host cell metabolic machinery. So it means viruses are submicroscopic particles which have been studied in detail by electron microscope. A simple virus particle is designated as virions, having a core of genetic material which enclose within a protein coat. The amount of protein in different viruses varies from 60 to 95%, and the rest is nucleic acid. One interesting feature in the uniformity in the particle of one species. The general characters of viruses are discussed under shape, size. The shape wise, most of the virus fall in one of the following categories, that is the spheroidal or cuboidal, elongated or rod-like, mixed or combination of particles. The shape of viruses species falling into a particular category may show variation among themselves, like rod-shaped particles could be simple elongated like tobacco, rattle virus, coir-shaped virus that is tobacco mosaic virus, plexus that is potato virus, or much coiled that is vesicular stomatitis virus. They are brick shaped in pox virus, spheroidal in herpes, adenovirus, bullet shape in rabies virus. The size of viruses are very small in size, varying over a wide range from 20 to 350 nanometer. They are smaller than bacteria. In viruses, have a two constituent, that is the nucleic acid and the protein coat. In nucleic acid, the viruses possesses only one type of nucleic acid, that is DNA or RNA. The viruses containing DNA are called deoxyviruses, whereas those having RNA are known as the riboviruses. Generally, all plant viruses have a single stranded RNA. Animal viruses have either single or rarely double-stranded RNA or DNA. Bacteriophages contain mostly double-stranded DNA but can have a single-stranded DNA or RNA. And most of the insect virus contain RNA and only few have DNA. So, viruses contain only one single molecule of DNA or RNA. Then the in protein coat, the nucleic acid is surrounded by protein coat that is called as the capsid. And each capsid contains several identical protein subunit, and that subunit it is known as the capsomere. The protein composing may be of single type or many type. The protein subunits are arranged in helical or polyhedral geometric form. The capsomere forming the capsid are of two types, that is pentamerous made up of 5 identical monomere and hexamere having 6 monomere. In some complex form like influenza and humps virus, the capsid is covered by an envelope. An envelope of many virus having the projection is called as the spike. Virus attach themselves to the host by means of spike. Virus whose capsid is not covered by an envelope is called naked or non-envelope viruses. That is tobacco mosaic virus. So, viruses are unable to grow and undergo binary fission. Absent in viruses of genetic information for the synthesis of Lipman system. The system is responsible for the production of energy with high potential. Viruses make the use of ribosome of their host cell. So, here are the general characteristics of viruses.